In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dashboard to homepage in Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to place a dashboard right on your homepage using the Lightning App Builder, adjust its basic settings, and save your layout so it's ready for assignment later. Start on the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. Make sure you're signed in with a profile that can use the Lightning App Builder and view dashboards. It also helps to have the dashboard you want to display already created and shared to your role or profile. From the home page, open the Settings gear in the top right and choose the option that takes you into the full setup area. This brings you into Salesforce Setup, where we'll configure the page. In the Setup sidebar, use the Quick Find search bar and type App Builder. You're looking for Lightning App Builder, which is the tool used to design and customize Lightning pages like home, app, and record pages. Click Lightning App Builder to open its list of existing pages. In the App Builder list, click New to create a brand new page. When prompted for the page type, select Homepage, since we want a layout that drives what users see when they first log in. Click Next to continue. Give your page a clear name. For this walkthrough, I'll type Test, but you can enter a descriptive name that matches your use case. A good name helps you find and manage the page later, especially if you create multiple versions. Next, pick a layout template. Choose Header and 3 regions. This template places a wide header at the top and 3 columns beneath it, which works well for surfacing a dashboard prominently above the fold while still leaving room for other components. Click Done to open the page canvas. You'll now see a blank layout with regions on the right and a Components panel on the left. In the Components panel, find the Dashboard component. Click it and drag it into the header region at the top of the page. Placing it in the header ensures your metrics are immediately visible when users land on Home without scrolling. With the Dashboard component selected on the canvas, look to the right-hand Properties panel. Click the Dashboard field to choose which dashboard to display. From the list, select Service KPIs Dashboard. If you don't see the dashboard you need, double-check that you have access to it and that it's in a folder you can view. Next, adjust the display settings. Click Max Height to set how tall the dashboard area should be. A larger height shows more components without scrolling, but be mindful that very tall dashboards can push other homepage elements down the screen. Pick a size that balances visibility and space. Turn on the Hide on Error option. This setting prevents an error message from occupying space on the homepage if, for any reason, the dashboard can't load. It's a simple safeguard that helps keep your homepage clean and usable. Now configure visibility rules if you need the dashboard to appear only for certain users or conditions. Click Set Component Visibility, then click Add Filter. You can define criteria such as profile, permission set, or device type so the component only shows when those conditions are met. This is optional, but it's helpful when you want different audiences to see different homepage content. Take a quick look at the preview on the right to confirm that the dashboard appears where you dropped it and that the height looks right. If anything seems off, you can reselect the component, change its height, or drag it to a different region. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your homepage layout is now saved in Lightning App Builder. Depending on your process, you may assign or activate this page later, so it becomes the default home experience for your users or for specific apps and profiles. That assignment step isn't covered here, but your saved page is ready for it whenever you are. And that's it. You've created a home page, added a dashboard in the header, selected the specific dashboard to display, tuned the height, applied a safety toggle, set visibility conditions, and saved your work. Thanks for watching, and happy building!